Okay, the user for DIS part 1, first question is which fire hotspot are located with 500 meter for the road. First, we need to connection with the Malaysian map and do the selected only the content and program to create the new layer. After that, we attach with the clip root in pekan content, and we can get this result. After that, we intercept the data content and pekan, and we got host this data only. Okay, the second question about 500 for railroads. This same method which we need to intercept with railroad in quantum pekan, and we intercept the same data, and the result we get this. And third question, we go to next question.
Okay, we continue with the third question. Which fire hotspot are located within 500 meters from inland water? So, same with the previous one, but we need to select the inland water files, Malaysian water lines, and intercept with the fire record, and then this is the result. And also, after that, the step 2, we intercept the clip data before with quanta and socket, and then we get this result for the third question. Okay, next, the fourth question: which fire hotspot are located within 500 meter from the roads and the roads? We combine the roads and the roads. First, we already have the roads and the roads file. So then we merge both of the file, and then this is the result.
Okay, for the question 5, our question is which 5 hotspots are located within 500 meters from road and inland water. So we first merge the roads and railroads. Then after that, we get the result that is this. So for the sixth question, which 5 hotspots are located within 500 meters from railroad and inland water? So the steps are the same, that is merge road and railroad layers together, and then we get the result that is this. For the second part, we will show a video demo of the program. Thank you.
Okay, for the second part of the question, we developed 5 buttons that are the show scale button. Second is add shape file button. Third is edit the outer. Fourth is save the file to PDF, and the fifth one is zoom to the selected layer. So we created this button by using the Python add-in wizard. So how to use the tools is by making a folder. For example, the folder's name is button, and then we have to select the image. Then in the add-in contents, we create a new toolbar and name it to button, and right click on the button to create a new button. Name the button, for example, button, and image, we assign it again and save it. So the button will be saved in the button folder that we created, and this is the Python script where we can add the Python's coding. And once we done the coding, we have to double click it to create the button installer, and this will install the button. So since we already have the button installed, so I'll show the demo of the project. So first we will add a shape file. So we can see here that it only have the map layer, and when we click the add shapefile button, the shape will be added automatically. Then for the scale button, it will display the scale of the map at here. And for the outer button, as we can see here, the map document properties, that the outer we didn't have any outer assigned. So when we click the outer button, so it already assigned that the name of the author is Izzuddin, and we can see back at the map document properties that the author's name is Izzuddin. So for the zoom to button, we have to open the attribute table, and for example, I click at Kuantan and Pekan, and the layer is selected, and when we click the zoom to button, it will zoom to the selected layer. And for the last button, that is the save to PDF button, and when we click it, the file will be saved here in the current view. So that's all for our project. Thank you for watching.